Oyster Bay, St. Martin, Mainsail, room 1227, studio class. Nice deck, beautiful water, St. Bart's in the background, 4 chairs, little outside table. Coming in, we have dining room table, bed storage, husband, hey husband.
Very good air conditioning.
Very good air conditioning and a fan, we never had to use it. Beautiful couch, pull-out sofa. Again, lots of storage. TV. More storage. Great closet, plenty of hangers, extra bed linen, safe, big fluffy beach towels. Then the kitchen, that's the door if you had a 2-bedroom. We're the little of the 2-bedroom. We have toaster blender, little shelves for our stuff, coffee that came with the room, we bought our own. Step stool to get to the plates and glassware, they're very high. Microwave, convection oven, flat top dishwasher, garbage disposal sink, great little refrigerator with an ice maker. Our last room did not have an ice maker, but plenty of ice trays. And then the bathroom, nice big bathroom. Big sink, big tub. Towels plentiful, toiletries plentiful, single sink, but big bathroom. Lovely decor, makeup mirror. And again, plenty of storage in here to put everything away, though we didn't do that. Great apartment, well, studio apartment. 1-bedroom studio at Oyster Bay, and you can see the bay right through there.